Hey everyone, welcome to Sam and Feng Cooking. In this video, I'll show you how to make my easy Vietnamese-inspired vermicelli noodle salad with chicken. It is the perfect dish for a summer meal. To get started, I'm making a marinade for the chicken. To a bowl, add half a tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, half a tablespoon of a neutral oil, the juice of half a lime, and 1 garlic clove minced. Whisk until everything is combined and add the chicken. I'm using 2 chicken breasts, but you can use thighs or whatever you have. Marinate for at least 1 hour or overnight. Now onto the noodles. I'm using vermicelli or rice noodles. Boil a large pot of water and add 12 ounces of the noodles. Cook until the noodles are soft. You can check around the 10-minute mark. When done, drain and rinse with cold water to cool the noodles down. Take the chicken out of the marinade and heat up a frying pan with oil. Fry the chicken on both sides until they are nicely colored. Then add a lid to help cook the chicken faster. I like using a thermometer to check if the chicken is done. It should be cooked to 165 Fahrenheit. You could also bake the chicken in the oven or an air fryer. Once cooked, place the chicken on a plate and set aside for later. Add the noodles we drained earlier to a large bowl. Here you can add any vegetables you like. I'm using 1 bell pepper, 2 cups of carrots, 2 cups of cucumber, 2 scallions, 2 cups of napa cabbage, 2 cups of bean sprouts, and half a cup of cilantro. To make the dressing, to a bowl add a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, and the juice of 1 lime. Mix everything together. Add the dressing to the salad and mix until everything is combined. Don't mix too much as the noodles break apart easily. Taste the salad to see if it needs any extra salt and pepper. Slice the chicken and mix it into the salad, or add it on top of the salad when you serve it. And that's it! I love making the salad, especially during the summer. This would make the perfect picnic lunch. Everything tastes so fresh and you can switch up the vegetables depending on what you like or what you already have on hand. The chicken is optional too. If you're vegetarian, you can skip it altogether and use the same marinade for tofu. Just leave out the fish sauce. Let us know in the comments below if you give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching! Bye!
Like and subscribe, please.